So, let's say you've fallen and you're in some sort of position where you're getting pinched and cramped. You use the handy vice grips that you have in your pocket. You reach down about knee level. This way you can relieve all your stresses that the straps are putting on you. You clamp on with the vice grips. You drop it down from the toes. You got yourself a peg to stand up on. Adjust your stuff. Keep it constricted here. Keep your saddle to sit in and sit in the saddle. Yes, sir. And then plan your descent, which would be a case of choking up on the vice grip and moving your slider down. Let's see if we can afford this. Moving. All right. Vice grips to here. Stand up on the peg. See how easy it is to move your ratchet. See, and you can slide down. You get to here, you sit in your saddle. Move your vice grips down again. Got it? There you go. You're on the ground.